In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Manychat account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disconnect your channels and permanently remove your account the right way. Start by logging into Manychat and opening the Home tab so you're on your main workspace. From the left sidebar, click Settings and make sure you're in the General section. Scroll down until you see the Delete Account area. Click Delete to begin. If you're prompted to remove connected channels first, that's expected. Manychat won't let you delete the account while channels are still attached. Next, remove your channels. In Settings, go to the Channels area and select the channel that's connected to this account. For example, if Instagram is connected, click Instagram to open its settings. Choose Remove. A confirmation window will appear with "I understand" statements. Carefully review them so you know what's being deleted. Check the boxes that state that all Instagram contacts will be removed from Manychat and that you won't be able to restore them in the future. When you're ready, type "remove" exactly as shown to confirm, then click Confirm. Repeat this process for any other channels if they're connected, making sure everything is fully disconnected. Once your channels are removed, return to Settings and open the General section again. Scroll back to Delete Account and click Delete. You'll be asked for a final confirmation. Type "delete" to confirm the permanent removal, then click "delete" to finish. A few quick tips before you proceed. Deleting your account is permanent, and contacts, automations, and data tied to this workspace are removed and can't be restored. Make sure you're working in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. If you see an error at the final step, double-check that every channel is disconnected. Also, you'll need the proper permissions to remove channels, so ensure you're an admin on the connected pages or profiles. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, confirm each prompt, and your Manychat account will be fully deleted.